In all of the video segments I've ever done covering the RV industry, I've never started a segment actually looking down into a garbage can, but I'm doing it with this all-new Keystone Passport, and this happens to be part of their GT series, which stands for Grand Touring, but they also have an SL series as well, which is their super light edition. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, for 2021, in the travel trailer category, this is by far one of my most favorite travel trailers here at the Florida RV Super Show. So new for 2021 with the Passport, you start with the exterior, and they've gone with an all-new graphics package on the outside. Now, I started with this little cubby right here. This is actually a garbage can. You can actually drop your garbage from inside while working in the kitchen, but you also have access to it on the outside. But for me with the family, it really is all about right here. It's outdoor grilling on a Saturday morning. In the RV world, the most important part of a travel trailer is your storage, and with the Keystone Passport, they engineered this full side-length storage area. So whether you want to put your hoses in there or you want your fun toys for the beach, they're giving you enough room to stow that stuff away. And this specific Passport model is the 2704RK, and it's 31 feet in total length. And I have got to tell you, the inside is so refined. And when we think about RVs and the customer base, we're always thinking about families. But guess what? Not all of those that are out in an RV have kids. Maybe it's just a husband and wife or a couple that just want to be able to get out and camp, and they don't need all of the extra beds. Well, what's great about this new model right here for Passport on the interior is that you have so much great storage. You have complete refinement with all new pull-outs and drawers. So your storage area, you have a lot of space, this beautiful countertop. Everything is modernized, and new for this year is this faux fireplace right here that puts off great heat. So in the winter months and spring months when it's still a little bit cool out and you want to get out, you have functional heat coming inside this travel trailer. Of course, you've got your big screen, flat screen television right here, but the dinette is just really cool. You have the ability to have this complete C-shaped seating right here. Access to, obviously you can have your food and your meals here, but it's great for games. You can fit enough people in here. And then the best part is the kitchen. You have this great console right here that's bar height that allows you to establish a spot for your appetizers, cocktails. All of this functional space is great for someone that has a travel trailer like this. The pop-out electrical outlets are great. And then this is that garbage can that I was showing you from the outside. You simply open up the top, drop your garbage in there, and then you have access to it on the outside. It's great because it's really not going to stink up the inside of the travel trailer, and then space is abundant on the inside. You've got a nice big, look at the size of this sink. This is a farmhouse style sink that gives you the ability to have access to all of your dishes in here, and it's a nice big working station, and a cutting board doubles on top. Of course, you've got your microwave, you got your stove top, and then a stainless steel refrigerator right here. Beautiful on the inside, plenty enough room to store. And we're going to take you from here to the bathroom in the back. Consumers are always looking for innovation inside travel trailers, and the dual tone color pattern on both the master bedroom door and the bathroom are great. And if you make your way inside the bathroom here, you're going to see a nice refined area for you to utilize the bathroom services, but at the same time you have plenty of storage, which again is super important to the end user. When you're out camping, you don't spend a lot of time in your bedroom, but when you do, you want to make sure that you can pack in everything that you want. So storage and cabinets line the entire top of the bed. And then, of course, over here you have this really cool little closet where you can store even more things away and then hang some of your clothes. And one of the coolest pieces of technology with this Passport is actually this right here. This is what goes into the floor. It's actually called the Hyperdeck. This is high density foam. It's stronger, it's lighter, and it's also water resistant. So why is it relevant? Here's why it's relevant. While walking on your floor over time, you develop soft spots. Well, the Hyperdeck right here with its high density foam helps prevent that. So the dry weight of the Passport SL, the super light, is about 4,200 pounds. Now, if you take a look at this GT series right here and the SL, you're going to have a starting price somewhere between $22,000, and it will top out right around $67,000. If you want to learn more information about the Keystone Passport, please visit the Keystone website at KeystoneRV.com.